Welcome. Today we are going to be creating paper flowers. What you'll need for this project are some cupcake papers. I used 3 of different shades. This is sort of a yellow, this is sort of a white, this has a blue tint to it, and this has a pink tint to it. But you don't have to use that exact configuration. You can make all your flowers the same color or multiple color. I'm going to make mine multiple color. You'll need a straw or a paper straw. This is a paper straw. You'll need a pipe cleaner. You'll need a pen. And you'll need scissors. But remember, anytime a child uses scissors, there must be an adult present. Absolutely. Now, what we'll do first is we will stack our cupcake papers together, like so. And you can do it any way that you want to. Stack it in any order you want. You can even use more than 4 if you'd like. And then I'm going to fringe the edges. So where the cupcake folders are creased, I'm going right in there and I'm cutting like so. All right. Now that they are all cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pen, I'm going to go to about the center of those papers, and I'm going to poke a small hole through. Then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and I'm going to thread it right through the hole, just like so. And then on the end, I'm going to twist it over and around so it will hold just like so. Now, I'm going to bring my edges, my fringed edges together, and I'm going to work with them and shape them. Like so. Okay. And then I'm going to thread my pipe cleaner through the straw, pull it tight. I'll work with the shape of my flower. And then I'll take the end and I'll wrap it around. We're sort of twisting it around. And we have our very own paper flower that we can enjoy. We can make as many as we like. We could put them in a vase and put them in the center of our table. You can put them on a bookshelf, put them in our window. But all that flower just makes me feel cheery. How about you? Something we created together. I hope you and your special adult will take some time to make a cupcake paper flower.